andito kami ngayon sa Hacienda. Bumili kami ng watch for today's video. Yan, dito. Galing kami dito kanina sa Watch Republic. And I bought this. Yan, Adidas. Adidas na watch. Yes! Enzo! Hi! I-flex mo.
Hello, Flex.
Yan, anong oras na ba? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Anong oras na ba? Ay. So, ayan. Sobrang saya natin for today's video. So, ngayon nasa bahay na kami. Hello!
Hello.
Enzo, playing with Lego, and yun naman si Ronel, tambay-tambay lang. Tayo naman ay busy cooking, grilling. Dati ito yung mga ginagawa natin dito. Nag-barbecue tayo, nag-i-spaghetti, marinate din ako dito ng chicken. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko dyan. And that's it. So far, maraming ihawin. Guys, so we're here now at Vida. Enzo, Enzo, say hi! Hi, Enzo! O, tapos, ito si Daddy.
Hindi magbaga.
Hoy, Daddy! Labyaw! Hindi ka ata makapagbagay. Magawa ka pa! Happy birthday! Happy New Year. Yan, no? Wawa, say hi.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Taba mo, ha? Ito na. Nawalan kami ng gasol sa house. Kaya dito na kami paano? Dito na lang. Happy! Hi! Okay na rin siya. Happy New Year, Papa! Happy na natin. Ayun ang mga handa.
Kuya Rico?
Wala. Si Ma... Wow! Ate!
Hello.
Happy New Year! Bubogi.
Diyan ka, Mikey.
Happy New Year! Welcome 2026! Ate, dito ka! Happy New Year, everybody! Welcome 2026! May the God bless us all this year. Thank you, Lord! it's dinner time. Kahit medyo kumain na kami kanina, pero ngayon, kakain tayo. Ulit. Let's go! Pakita mo yan pa. Pakita mo, I got some watch for today's video.
Sa warranty ko ma'am, 6 months ko sa battery.
Let's go! So, bumili tayo ng isa pa. Happy birthday! Asan yung luma mo? Ayan. Ha? Daddy, dyan ka muna. Sa baba muna kami. Buti ikaw pag pumili ka, hindi ka makurire, no? Ano pa? Hey! Isha! Happy? Wow, yum yum.
Cheers.
Ay, birthday niya yung skater kasi lagi niya nabibili sa kanya yung isa.
Hi guys! Hello! So this is their Superior King room. First time ko nakabook ng gantong Superior King room. And ito po yung day bed. With a day bed. Front of the building talaga. Oh. Wow! Oh. Wow! So nice in here. As always. Enzo, look. Enzo. Happy? Okay, baba, 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 baba. Ito, yan. So, ito yung kanilang king. Superior king. With a day bed. A king-size bed. At ito naman yung kanilang CR. No bathtub, baby. Unfortunately, wala tayong bathtub for this. Hi, guys! Hello! Hello! Hi! So now we're gonna swim. Let's go. It's 5:35 and we only have like until 6 o'clock to swim. Hi guys. So let's go. Today we're here. Good morning. And we're looking for the ballroom today. Kasi we will be getting our breakfast. Here's the morning view din sa Canning Cove. Morning. So, dito tayo ngayon sa ballroom nila. Ballroom area. Dito na sinaserve yung breakfast. Morning, Chilin! Hi! Hi! Ay, Good morning, Canyon Cove! Wow. Hindi na ako nakapaglangoy. Bakit? Hi guys, so check out na kami. Ngayon, may itatry kaming fun zone na bago nilang attraction dito sa Canyon Cove. Bakit? Bitin na bitin lang. Check out natin yun. Like, hi guys!
Look at my drum.
Okay, so finally we're here. We're home.
Look at my drum.
So look at my drone. Nakakapagod to pero yun. Safe and sound. Nandito naman kami. Safe kami. So magbababay na kami. Thank you for joining us in this vlog. Mini random vlog. So I'll see you on my next vlog. And so what will you say? What will you say?
Bye.